Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT example exercise problem. It's a 6th chapter, 23rd problem. It's about solar panel problem we are going to discuss. Okay, first we will see what is given data. Okay, it's a class 11 physics book back solution we are going to do. It's going to be the 6th chapter. It's 23 problem we are going to discuss. Okay, problem number 23. So first the question is given 8 kilowatt. It's required a large family. 8 kilowatt power is required a large family. Okay, the next data is given. The power 200 watt will give per meter square. The area is going to be a watt per, if in case if you are installing the solar panel, means 200 watt per meter square will give. Okay, the next one, so the area is required for the family 800 kilowatt. Okay, they asked what is the area is required. Okay, what is the area is required? It's a very simple problem. Okay, the one more thing also is given. The 20% of the energy from the solar panel will be converted. Okay, so 20% of the energy is converted out of 200 watt. Okay, 200 watt will produced per unit area. Out of this, only 20% is going to converted as it's going to give us the output. Okay, now first we will see. So totally we required 8 kilowatt. Okay, so per unit area will give 200 watt. Okay, only 20% of this will be used. Okay, 20% of this used. Okay, so first thing I am going to tell you what is the power will be given per unit area. It's going to be 200 watt per unit area. Now out of this, only 20% watt per unit area, it's going to give us a 20%. 20 divided by 100 we can take it. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled. So what is the power will give from the net output value will get us 40 watt per unit area. Okay, 40 watt per unit area per meter square. Okay, so this what we can get per unit area. Okay, now actually how much is required the large family? So 8 kilowatt. 8 kilo means it's going to be 8 kilo, the 8000 watt it's required. Okay, actually per unit area how much we are getting? 400. Okay, now we have to calculate what is the area is required to get 8 kilowatt. Okay, so just the total output power per unit area and total power just I am going to divide. Okay, it's going to be per unit area. Okay, so the maximum power divided by power getting per unit area. Okay, maximum power 8 kilowatt. Okay, that's going to be 8000 watt. Okay, the required per meter square is going to be 40 watt per meter square will give. Okay, watt will get cancelled, 0 0 will get cancelled. This is going to be a 2. Okay, so meter square, denominator directly will come into the numerator. Okay, actually it's going to be power per unit area, so area will come in a numerator. Okay, so totally 200 meter square it's required, the area is required. Okay, because meter square the unit is for the area. Okay, 200 meter square is required to install the solar panel. Okay, so now it's a question A. Okay, this much area is required. Okay, they asked what is a roof should be constructed. Actually the second question B part, how much area the maximum area is required, we already told 200. No, plus 50 you can increase because installation it's required some space. Okay, from this some extra that's going to be 250 meter square is required. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.